Good morning. This is Purnima Devi from SNSCT CSC. Last class we discussed about introduction to data analytics. Now we see the methodologies used for data analytics. There are two methodologies used for planning and developing project in data analytics. First one is KDD, that is knowledge discovery in database. This methodology mainly used for academic purpose. And second one is CRISP-DM, cross industry standard process for data mining. This methodology mainly used for industrial purpose. We briefly discuss about KDD methodology. KDD is knowledge discovery database in data mining is an iterative process that analyze pattern based on three factors: importance, usability and understandability. KDD involves a set of defined stages for the treatment of data before applying the different data mining technique in the search for hidden pattern in them to finally make the analysis of the patterns found in and finally give the useful output. The purpose of KDD is the interpretation of patterns, models, and a deep analysis of the information that an organization has gathered to make better decisions. While data mining by itself does not need to need no does not need extensive research in the area in which it is managed, this technique requires careful evaluation of observable data. This include behavior, needs, customs, user query, searches by user, etc. There are 9 steps involved in the KDD process. There are learning the application domain, creating a target set, data cleaning and pre-processing, data reduction and projection, choosing a data mining function, choosing the data mining algorithm, data mining interpretation, and last one is using discover knowledge. First one, understanding the data state. Not everything is mathematics and statistics, but understanding the problem we are going to face and having context to purpose viable and real solutions. It is important to know the properties, limitations, and rules of the data or information and study and define the goals to be achieved. Second one is creating a target data set. From the set of data collected and the objectives to be achieved already defined, available data must be chosen to carry out the study and integrate them into a single one that can help to reach the objective of the analysis. Many times, this information can be found in the same source or can also be distributed. Third one is data cleaning and pre processing. At this stage, the reliability of the information is determined, that is, carried out tasks that guarantee the usefulness of the data. For this, the data cleaning is done. This implies eliminating variables or attributes with missing data or eliminating information not useful for this type of task such as text, images and others. Then fourth one is data reduction and projection. In this stage, the quality of data is improved with the transformations that involve either dimensionality reduction or transformation, such as converting the values that are numbers into categorical. Then fifth one is choosing the data mining function. In this phase, the right data mining process can be chosen, be it classification, regression, or grouping according to the objectives that have been set for the process. Sixth one is choosing the data mining algorithm. Subsequently, we proceed to select the technique or algorithm or both to search for the pattern and obtain knowledge. The meta learning focuses on explaining the reason why an algorithm works better for certain problems. And for each technique, there are different possibilities of how to select them. Each algorithm has its own essence, its own way of working and obtaining the result. So it is advisable to know the properties of those candidates to use and see which one best fits of the data. Second one is data mining. Finally, once the technique have been selected, the next step is to apply them to the data already selected, cleaned and processed. It is possible that the execution of an algorithm in several trying to adjust the parameters that optimize the result. These parameters vary according to the selected method. Eighth one is interpretation. Once the algorithm have been applied to the dataset, we proceed to evaluate the pattern that were generated and the performance that was obtained to verify that it meets the goal set in the first phases. To carry out this evaluation, there is a technique called cross validation, which is performed data partition, dividing it into training and test to be used to see that algorithm really works and jobs well done. Then last one is using discovered knowledge. If all the steps followed correctly and the results of evaluation are satisfied, the last stage is simply to apply the knowledge found to the contest and begin to solve the problems. Thank you.